This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to calculate a sample variance in Excel. First step is to type your data into a single column. I'm just going to go ahead and type a random data set in. So I have my data into a single column. Make sure you don't leave any blank rows between your data. Step 2 is to click on an empty cell anywhere in the worksheet. So I'm going to select an empty cell, and then I'm going to click the Insert Function button, which is up here on the toolbar. This opens the Insert Function dialog box. I found the variable function earlier, so it's in my list here and it is highlighted. But if yours isn't highlighted, go ahead and type Variance into the search for a function box and click Go, and it gives you a list of options, but the function you want is a simple variance function. Click OK. This brings up the function arguments box. Now you want to type the location for your data into the number 1 box. I'm going to go ahead and type A1 through A10 because that's where my data is. Alternatively, you can select the first cell, click the left cursor key, drag the cursor all the way to the bottom, let go, and Excel will populate the box for you. Click the OK button, and there is the sample variance for your sample data, 1940.9. There is another way to access the Insert Function box, and that's on the Formulas tab, and the Insert Function button is over to the left here. This will give exactly the same result. That's how to find a variance in Microsoft Excel. This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com.